All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going deep on Mistral.AI.
Yeah.
They're this company making some big claims about powerful AI, accessible AI, configurable AI, and we're going to break down their website, see if they live up to the hype,
Okay.
and more importantly, figure out what it all means for you, even if you aren't like knee-deep in AI every day.
Right.
So, to get us started,
Yeah.
what jumped out at you as you're looking through Mistral's materials?
So the first thing I noticed was this big emphasis they have on making AI configurable, right?
Nice.
It's configurable AI for all builders
Yeah.
is one of their big phrases.
And they kind of double down on that with the whole frontier AI in your hands tagline.
Yeah.
It really seems like they are trying to make these powerful AI tools that have, historically been
Right.
been pretty exclusive
Yeah.
behind closed doors to make them available to anybody.
Yeah.
That's a pretty ambitious goal, I think.
It is. And they repeat this phrase, one platform, many uses for all humans, which I think really sort of underscores that vision.
So it's not just about giving you the tools, but it's about saying anyone can use this for anything.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about one of the ways they seem to be doing this.
Okay.
They've got this flagship product, Chat, that they bill as an AI assistant for basically your whole life,
Right.
work and life.
Yeah, they're definitely positioning it as an alternative to all the other AI assistants out there.
Okay.
And they're highlighting features like multilingual capabilities, integration with web search, handling uploads and data connections,
Wait.
trying to be a comprehensive solution.
Listen, did I read that right?
What did you see?
80?
Yeah.
Over 80 languages
For coding.
for coding assistants.
Yes.
Is
that
that
blew my mind too.
is that real?
It is. They list them all out.
I mean,
It's a huge list.
that's incredible.
Yeah, it's a huge.
What does that mean for people who are not working, in Silicon Valley
Yeah.
with, the languages that dominate in places like that?
I think that's exactly the point, right? Think about a developer in, Kenya building an app in Swahili with the help of AI
Yeah.
that understands their language.
Like
That's a game changer.
That's bringing, really leveling the playing field potentially.
Absolutely.
For who gets to use these powerful tools
Yeah.
and build amazing things. And it's not just about using it. It seems like Mistral is really about letting people customize AI.
Yes. This is a huge thing for them. They talk about being able to customize the AI at every level.
Okay.
From how it's trained to how you actually use it.
Okay, so what does that actually mean, though? Like when they say customization?
Right. So, most AI you kind of think of as a black box.
Right.
You put data in, you get results out.
Yeah.
But you don't really know what's happening in between.
Yeah.
And Mistral seems to be offering this much more transparent and controlled approach.
So it's less, here's some magic, and more, here are the tools, go build something.
Exactly.
Okay. So my concern with that is, does everyone know how to use these tools?
Right. Like giving everyone the keys to a car doesn't mean everyone knows how to drive.
Right. So are we going to see people driving off cliffs, metaphorically speaking?
Yeah, it's a valid concern.
If they don't,
You need some level of expertise.
if they don't know how to actually wield this power.
Yeah, and I think that's something Mistral will have to address
Yeah.
if they want to reach that goal of, AI for everyone.
Right. Okay, so another big thing they talk about is privacy and portability.
Yes, these are huge issues, obviously.
So are they just throwing around buzzwords?
I mean, I think it's smart of them to address them head on,
Right.
right? People are concerned about their data.
Yeah.
They're concerned about security.
Right.
And Mistral is saying, you can run our platform anywhere, from your own computer to the cloud.
Yeah.
You have control over where your data is. And they even touch on the environmental impact,
Yeah.
suggesting running AI on your own hardware could be more sustainable.
Okay, so less reliance on these big data centers.
Exactly.
Which we know can be pretty energy intensive.
Yeah.
But I got to say, some of this sounds almost too good to be true.
Right.
How do we know they're actually walking the walk, not just talking the talk?
I think healthy skepticism is always good.
Yeah.
We need to look beyond the marketing, see what their technology is actually doing, who they're partnering with,
Right.
and what concrete steps they're taking to uphold these values.
It can't just be, nice words on a website.
Exactly. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, so last big thing from their materials is this whole open source and transparency angle.
Right.
They even call themselves the world's greenest and leading independent AI lab.
Yeah,
which is a pretty bold claim.
it is bold.
So break down open source for us. What does that mean in the AI world?
So essentially, it means they're making the code and data behind their AI publicly available.
Yeah.
This means that anyone can examine it, they can contribute to it,
Right.
they can build on it.
So it's like they're saying, hey, we're not trying to lock this all down.
Exactly.
We want the world to help us build it.
Yeah, they're fostering collaboration and transparency.
And they're putting out a call for like AI enthusiasts.
Yes. Insatiably curious AI enthusiasts.
Which I think kind of underscores that.
It does.
Like they're building a community
Yeah.
as much as a product.
It's not just about the technology, it's about the people using it and developing it.
So to kind of sum all this up,
Mhm.
it seems like Mistral is really aiming to change the game when it comes to AI.
Yeah.
They want to make it readily available. They want to make it customizable. And they want to make it, at least that's the suggestion,
Right.
maybe a little more ethically developable.
Than some of the other options out there.
Yeah. Wow.
Those are some really ambitious goals.
They are. Like if they can actually pull this off,
What does it mean?
what does it mean for the world? Like,
What does it mean for, how we work, how we create, how
Yeah.
we solve problems?
Yeah.
Does this lead to a surge in personalized AI applications that benefit everyone?
Yeah.
Or does it widen the gap between those who can harness this power and those who can't?
So many questions.
Yeah.
We are going to be watching Mistral's journey very closely.
Yes.
I encourage you to check out their website, form your own conclusions.
Mhm.
This is definitely a space to watch. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for having me.